Hey, welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFix. As you see, we have here an Samsung Galaxy A34 smartphone, and the problem is we forgot the password, the PIN, the unlock pattern, so we don't know how to unlock it. So if you have forgotten your password, there is a simple solution which I will show you now. But keep in mind, all data on the phone will be lost, so your phone will be like brand new and the data will be wiped, so no photos or contacts will be available after this reset. You will use this phone after the reset, but the data will be wiped. So keep in mind, after this reset, it can be that the phone again asks you for the PIN or password, but you can click on use your Google account instead. So you click on that, then you will have to enter your Gmail account and your password. Okay? So let's go. If you don't know, I have to say, if you don't know your Gmail account and your password, after this reset, you will need to search on YouTube for Samsung A34 FRP unlock or Google unlock. There we go. Okay, let's go and proceed now to the unlock of this phone. What you have to do is, typically on some Samsung phones you will need to connect the USB-C cable connected to the computer, but in this particular model on A34 you don't need the USB cable. So the phone is updated to the latest Android version. Today's date is the 2nd of November 2023, and let's go and proceed with the unlock. So firstly, you will need to press volume down and the power button to power off the phone. But when you click on that, you see you need to enter the password again. So what you need to do is you will press all three buttons, and when you will see that the phone restarts, you release the power button and you release the volume down button, but you still keep holding the volume up button. So press all three buttons together. Firstly, we want to see the screen. We press all three buttons together and we wait till the phone vibrates and restarts. All three buttons and still keep holding the three buttons. Okay. Still keep holding. There we go. You release now when you see the Samsung logo, you release the power button and the volume down button, but you keep holding the volume up button. Still keep holding until you come into the recovery menu. If this didn't happen for the first time, you will try again. Okay, it didn't work. So let's go again. All three buttons, and when you first see the Samsung logo, you release the power button and the volume down button. There you go. Now you release the power button and the volume down button, but you keep holding the volume up button. So let's see if this time it will work. Maybe it won't work again. So if it won't work again, then we will try the next step with a USB-C cable, which is connected to the computer. So you connect the USB-C cable, which comes inside the phone, and the other side comes into the computer. If you don't have USB-C cable, you can use USB-C earphones also. There we go. Let's go again. All three buttons, pressing and holding until the phone restarts. So when the phone restarts, just keep holding the volume up button, and that's it. I see there are some issues now. and it's still not going to work. Okay, if this is happening, then we will try another step, another option. There we go. I will disconnect the cable here. Let's go and hold all 3 buttons until the phone restarts, and then we will release just the volume down button. There we go. So you see, now you keep holding the power button and the volume up button. Keep holding until you come into the recovery menu. There we go. It did work, and we are in the recovery menu. So you hold all 3 buttons. When the phone restarts, you just keep holding volume up and the power button, and you release the volume down button. Once you are in the recovery menu, we go down and we choose Vibe Data Factory Reset. So you go through the menu with the volume buttons, and you confirm with the power button. So click, and then you go down and click again. Confirm. So the phone is erased now. Now you can click on Reboot System Now, confirm, and you just wait for the phone to boot up, and then you just follow all the steps to activate the phone like the phone was brand new. As I said, if you had previously your Google account in it, you will need to enter your Google password again and your Gmail account. Let me know if it did work for you. If you have any issues or something, just leave a comment and I will try to help you, or the community also.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.